What's up guys, Mila at WTI, and I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max case by Casemate that is pretty stinking awesome. First of all, this is genuine leather, you guys, and you can feel it. It's super smooth, super comfy, and it looks really nice. I love the fact that it has 4 areas here for cards and your ID, and you also have an area you can put stuff inside, which is wonderful. The opening for the phone is perfect because it also has a bumper, so you don't have to worry about your lens coming in contact with anything if you place it down on its back. It's also got a bumper here to keep it lifted and off the lens. I really like the fact that it's MagSafe. So if you have that feature or if you use that feature, this case will not inhibit it whatsoever. I love this wallet case by Casemate, and that's my point of view.